Now I'm at the Bangsaen Heritage Hotel. Getting ready for running. Let's go to the room tour. Just to perform this. These are the closet. In this we have the refrigerator, the two waters, and then the kettles and different pantries. These are all the bathrooms. We have the shower and the water heater right here. This is like the workstation desk. We have 3 beds. Since that I'm only one here, I can sleep by myself in entire space. We have TVs here, and there. Oh, they'll have the balcony. You can open.